Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Have you ever wondered what the actual difference is between machine learning and deep learning? These terms get thrown around all the time in tech, but they are not completely separate things. Think of artificial intelligence as a large umbrella. Machine learning sits right inside it, and deep learning is a specialized subfield inside machine learning. In simple terms, all deep learning is machine learning, but not all machine learning is deep learning. Let us start with traditional machine learning. In standard machine learning, computers learn patterns from data to make decisions or predictions without being directly programmed line by line. Common models include decision trees and linear regression. These algorithms work exceptionally well with structured data, like numbers in spreadsheets. Best of all, they are highly interpretable, meaning human engineers can easily look inside and understand exactly why the model made a specific choice. So, where does deep learning come in? Deep learning uses complex structures called artificial neural networks. While these networks were historically inspired by how biological brains work, modern deep learning actually relies on heavy mathematical optimization and linear algebra. Deep learning truly shines when dealing with massive amounts of unstructured data, like raw images, live video, continuous audio, and text. One of the biggest differences between the two comes down to feature extraction. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize cars. With traditional machine learning, a human expert must tell the computer which features matter, like looking for round wheels or rectangular windows. This manual work is called feature engineering. But deep learning does this automatically. Give a deep learning model thousands of car photos, and it figures out the important visual features all on its own. However, that automation comes with a trade-off. Deep learning models usually require massive datasets and specialized computer hardware, like powerful GPUs or TPUs, to perform well. That said, with a technique called transfer learning, developers can take a pre-trained deep learning model and fine-tune it using a much smaller dataset. Another key difference is transparency. Classical ML models are easy to explain, while deep learning models operate like a black box because of millions or even billions of internal mathematical parameters. In the real world, advanced technology often uses both together. Take self-driving cars, like a Tesla. Automakers use traditional machine learning to analyze structured sensor data for predictive maintenance, calculating when parts might fail. At the very same time, they rely on deep learning to instantly process live video from cameras to detect pedestrians, lane markers, and road signs in real time. To wrap it up, choose machine learning when you have structured data, limited computer power, or need clear explanations for every decision. Choose deep learning when working with complex raw data like images or audio and you have the computing power to back it up. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.